The Internet of Things is changing everything. Data is the fuel of the future and the enabler of Industry 4.0 and new database business models. That's what you call a game changer. The industrial internet opens up completely new possibilities to the way we produce, sell, and distribute products of tomorrow. But it also creates new challenges, such as the global networking of people, machines, and products. This requires holistic data collection and modeling on a stable and flexible platform that can process data continuously and in real time. Introducing Forcebridge, the bridge between the shop floor and the internet. It collects real-time manufacturing data and converts all data into validated and meaningful information. With the help of intelligent algorithms, Forcebridge can analyze enormous amounts of data in real time and make them available to other applications and IT systems via open web interfaces. This creates a true digital twin of your factory and thereby unprecedented transparency on the shop floor. Transform data into real success with Forcebridge, the first turnkey and freely configurable cloud platform for the industrial internet.